How to join a Discord server with an expired link. So go ahead and open your Discord application. Now there is no direct way to join a server with an expired link, but there is two ways on how to get an updated link of the same server. So now I'm in the Discord server, and once I click on the three lines icon on the top left and on the message icon, all the direct message of this account will show. So for example, this one, as you can see, the link is now invalid. This is because the invite link was sent a long time ago, and a Discord invite link will only work for 7 days. So basically, after 7 days, the link will not work anymore. Now you have two choices that you can follow to be able to join that Discord server. First is to chat that friend again to send you an updated link. So this is the faster way, since once your friend reads the message, they can send the link immediately. So once you get the updated link, just click on it and it will direct you to the server again. Now, if you don't want to do this, the last resort is to contact the Discord support team. Just type in that you need the updated version of the link, paste the link, and wait for a few days before Discord replies. So that is how to join a Discord server with an expired link. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.